Government agencies face a critical challenge as they seek to adopt AI for better services and decision-making. Traditional commercial AI solutions come with significant concerns. These solutions often fail to address critical requirements, preventing agencies to fully leverage AI's potential. Introducing ThinkAgent by ZionAI, your data, your rules, and built on your own environment. ThinkAgent is a prototype solution designed to securely and rapidly implement AI for government needs. Built with agency priorities in mind, it ensures data sovereignty, custom security, seamless integration. Connect with your identity provider of choice, such as Azure, Entra ID, Google, AWS, or Okta. Logging in is simple and secure with Azure integrated authentication. Uploading a document with confirmation. With just a few clicks, you can upload and index your files. Our system securely stores them, ready for intelligent analysis, querying data, with an intuitive interface. Organize your work efficiently by creating sessions. Give them meaningful names for clarity and easy reference. Deleting a document securely. Manage sessions with ease. Delete them along with their files when no longer needed. Suggested queries or questions for the document. Get instant pre-formulated queries. Quickly find relevant information and frame questions with ease. Debug option. Dynamically adjust AI behavior. Fine-tune responses for more precise and customized answers. ZionAI brings over a decade of experience working with federal and state agencies. We understand the complexities of government systems and are experts in handling sensitive data within strict compliance frameworks. As certified partners with top cloud providers, ZionAI offers secure, customizable AI solutions on your preferred platform, designed to meet your unique needs. ThinkAgent exemplifies ZionAI's commitment to delivering secure, customized, and rapid AI solutions. With our expertise and proven delivery strategies, ZionAI is the partner you can trust for your most critical AI initiatives. Contact us today to explore the possibilities.